we're supporting those that have hyperinsulinism, and also we are supporting the family of Chris Marzano, who formerly owned this F3340. Chris was our operations manager, and he tragically passed away in February of this year. So be sure to show the family their love and support. Every dollar raised we give away, we don't keep a dollar of it. We want to make sure that we use this to give back, because this world is much more than just cool cars. As much as I love my cars, I love people more. And that's what we want to show through the KIES Auto Show. So thank you all for your support, and enjoy your rest of your day.
So as you guys saw, the KIES Auto Show 2022 was a huge success. We stopped counting after 600 cars showed up and a couple thousand people. It was definitely an epic event that you need to make sure you're at next year. Right now, we're just hanging out with all these guys who were trying to film me and distract me while I'm trying to do my ending. But anyway, thank you so much for coming out. You guys supported an amazing cause, and we can't wait to see you next year at the KIES Auto Show. Thanks for watching. We'll check you in the next video. I said check you in the next video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.